Have you ever, he wanted to sit with me today, have you ever tried to look for a job on Indeed? The kind of job for a mom, for a dad who wants to stay home and work from home. Sorry, my hair's in your face. I looked for a job on Indeed many, many, many times. I needed one that I didn't have to have a degree. I wanted one that I didn't need experience in. I had to have these things. Not I wanted, I had to. And number 3 was I couldn't be on a phone. How? So these are the 3 things that I had to have. Actually, number 4 would be tech too, because I know a little bit, but I don't know a lot. Like I can't. So anyways, those were my 4 things. I remember that I went to go look for this, and one day I was really excited. I was like, I got a job, or I got a job interview. So I looked at my phone and I was like, oh, and I was so excited. I told my second oldest, and he was like, don't do it. Don't touch anything. It's a scam. And I was like, what do you mean? And he goes, those people want you to go on to, what is it? Not WhatsApp, the other one, Telegram. And I had never heard of Telegram. This is about a year ago. And I was like, what the heck is Telegram? The other thing, do you know, stop it. Do you know who has your information? Have you ever thought about that? Stop. You're not going to make faces to people. Stop it. Have you ever thought about who actually has the information? Okay, go. Have you ever thought about who actually has your information? Because that was one of the things that bothered me. I was like, who has my information? And when I got that Telegram text thing, I was like, yeah, that's my point. So somebody put something on Indeed, and I happened to, hey, I needed a job. So how many people have my information? Anyways, if you can relate to that, I'm sorry. It's frustrating. It's frustrating. And when this came along, when I saw a girl just on TikTok, okay, just like I'm here, actually, this is going to go on other platforms as well, but I was so thankful because she was real. I understood what she was saying enough that I was like, I'm going to give this a go, because I was fed up with trying to do Indeed and trying to look for something online. This is real. It's legit. There is an investment because it's your own business. Your investment you can make back in one sale. Like, let's be real here. And I don't need a degree. I don't need tech. I don't need a phone. What I'm doing is what I'm doing. So if you want to know how to get started, drop a how in the comments and I'll let you know how.